Now I'm going to prepare the binding, which is going to be going around the back leg. And I'm going to overlock one side of it. And then, because that will stretch it, again, ironing is so important. Steam it all back in, otherwise you'll have a disaster at the end of it. So steam that edge in really well so it's just nice and flat again. And then we're going to turn it over. And the other side, we're going to turn in that 1 centimeter. You can be slightly less than a centimeter, that's also okay. Then your binding will just be a little bit wider, that doesn't really matter. And now we're just going to take that edge again and we're going to fold it up onto the overlocked edge. And thus we're creating this binding, whereas the folded in edge is going to be at the top and the overlocked edge underneath it, catching it when we top stitch it from the top. It's really simple. It's a nice way of doing this. And that's it. Next we can prepare the front and back before we start sewing our romper together.